Hello everyone, this is teacher Hoda. As we know, Jolly Phonics is divided into 7 groups. We studied before Group 1, Group 2, Group 3. Also we studied Group 4, Group 5. Finally, we studied the sounds of Y, y. Let's complete together the sounds. Letter X has different sounds. Letter X has different sounds. 1. Letter X at the beginning of words. Letter X at the beginning of words. Letter X at the beginning of words has 2 different sounds. Letter X at the beginning of words makes the sound X. X. X, like its name, X. Let's read together. X-ray, X-mass, X-ray fish. There is another sound for letter X at the beginning of words. Xylophone, nops, xanops, xanops, xanops. Xanops is a bird. So, letter X at the beginning of words has 2 different sounds. X, X, Xmas tree, X-ray, or xenon, xylophone. 2. Letter X in the middle of words makes the sound X. X, X. Let's read together. X, box, boxcar. X, 6. Excited, excited. What about the word exit? Here, letter X makes the sound gz, gz, gz. Exit or exit. What about this word, exam? Letter X here makes the sound gz, 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 exam. Letter X at the end of words makes the sound x, x, x. Let's read together. X, fox, x, 6. X, box. Exit or exit. Exit or exit. There are other sounds for letter X. Ksh, ksh, ksh. Luxury, luxury. Or gz, gz, gz. Luxurious, luxurious. Okay? What about the story in Jolly Phonics? Do you know the X-ray? This is the X-ray. This is the X-ray. Okay? This is the X-ray. The story in Jolly Phonics. The boy hurts his arm. The boy hurts his arm. His arm is broken. His arm is broken. So a nurse takes an X-ray. A nurse takes an X-ray. An X-ray. An X-ray. She takes an X-ray of his hand. Of his hand. Okay? Oh no, his arm is broken. This is the same action Jolly Phonics. Phonics, to take an X-ray. To take an X-ray. To take an X-ray. The boy here pretends to take an X-ray. To take an X-ray of the hand. Okay? Let's sing together. X, x. Take an X-ray. X, x. Take an X-ray. X, x. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand. So the sound of X, 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 x. We can use activities to have fun. All of these activities help the kids to memorize the sounds. All in all, letter X has many different sounds. X, X, X-ray, Z, xylophone, Gz, 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 exam, Ksh, 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 luxurious, and many other